This video will guide you on how to apply UKZN online. So without further ado, go to Google right there and type in UKZN online application, and then click on the first link that appears there, which is application.ukzn.ac.za. So you want to click on the first link that appears. Want to type UKZN online application. It will take you to this page where it'll tell you the methods of application, right? So basically what they're saying is that if you're an undergraduate student and you want to apply to UKZN, the only way to do that is to apply via the COA. You can actually use the UKZN website for you to apply at UKZN if you're an undergraduate student. The only students who can do that are postgraduate students, international students, and returning students. They are the ones who can use the UKZN website to apply at UKZN. But if you're an undergraduate, you're a South African citizen, you want to apply at UKZN, the only way to do that is to actually apply via the CAO, which is what we'll do today. Just for example here, if you use the UKZN website to apply to UKZN, which is this is the link here, right? You would see that it's written UKZN online application for postgraduate, international, and returning students only. If you try to apply using this website, I mean, if you're an undergraduate, right, you won't be able to proceed to other steps. It will actually refer you to the CAO website to complete your application. So don't use this site here in order to apply to UKZN if you're an undergraduate student. So we won't use this. So I'm just going for close it right here, and you just come right here where it's South African first time undergraduate students must apply via the CAO, sorry. So this is what we'll do. Just gonna open this link right here, and we'll start our application right there. So here's the CAO web page. So once you are here, at the top here you will see a link written apply. So just go for and click that link right there, and then it'll take you to this page, and you want to just come down here and just you'll see something written continued with the application, which is what we'll do. Just click over there. Once you click that, it'll take you to a step whereby you need to set your ID number. If you're a South African citizen, right? If you're an immigrant, right, you want to insert your passport number, but I will insert some ID number right there. So I would say right there. Once you're done with that, you click on submit right there, and it will take you to this page again where you want to read some terms and conditions there. So you want to make sure that you read it. And take note, they are telling you fields marked with this asterisk must be completed. So wherever you see some fields along with this asterisk, it means that you cannot leave those fields omitted. You need to fill them in. So just go for that down here and click continue with the application right there. So once you're done with that, right, it will take you to this page where you will need to insert your personal details, right? This is what I will do. Start inserting our personal details there, and then once you come here, you want to click on this, which will actually open another tab whereby you have to insert your suburb name, and then to search it for you. If it finds you, you click on it, and then to update the page here. So in this case, if I type in here, for instance, mid-range right here, right, which is a suburb name, and I will search it, right, it just to appear somewhere here. Once it does appear, right, you want to click here where it's written select. So I'll just click on select. Once you click on select, it to update the page here. So this page is to have somewhere here to get updated. So let's just wait for it to get updated. Once it's updated, to be able to go forward with the application, right? To see it's actually updated here, right? So I'll just insert my address. As you can see, wherever you see this asterisk there. It actually means that that field cannot be omitted. It has to be filled in. So you want to make sure that you fill in those fields so that you won't find yourself reaching change with errors. So uh, let's continue with the application right there. And then with that, it says so we'll just click hold this something like kind of like a date something, and then we set some date. So just if it happens that you will change your address, so you need to specify where to change the address. But actually, you can actually omit this because you see that there is no asterisk that actually tells you that this field cannot be omitted. So in other words, I can actually omit this field here. So, but you want to make sure that you fill it if it happens that you may change some address, right? So, but for me, I'll just skip it or kind of like omit it because I don't think we'll actually need it. And then right here, make sure you insert the correct area codes there. So once you come here, you want to click on the continue with the online application right here. So I'm just gonna click on continue there. So please print the page and save it in your future reference. Like some point maybe you need it. So you just write these down. Maybe it happens that way. So what I would do for me, I'll just copy all of this, right? So I'm just gonna copy it down here in case I forget. So I'll copy it and just open a notepad there. If you have a paper and a pen, so just copy them down with the on a paper and a pen. But for me, I don't have that with me right now, so I'm gonna open a notepad there, and then what I'll do notepad, I'm just gonna paste it right here in case I need it, and then I'll save it maybe on my desktop, right? In case I may need it. So once I'll do that, and then I would click on continue with the online application. And then once you do that, if I have a previous name, I don't have to do that. And then just come down here. If you wish your details to be shown on only to the institution you have applied to, if your answer is no, other institution will be able to contact you for other places that may be available. So means that just to have more than one agent that you apply to, so that if it happens that if you don't access it any other universities or whatever colleges may apply, you may even get accepted at other kind of like universities by just using your details that you used here on the CAO. So you want to click on yes there. Check this box if you intend to apply for NSFS, and I'll click all this there. So I'm just skip off because they're actually disabled, so there's no need for me to actually make some changes. So I'm just going to click on there, single application language. Let me just see. This is really there. Is it there? What? If you what you kind of doing, which is great nice. And yeah, again, if it happens that you have what is this? You have active bank account, so you just click on yes, then you start by inserting. But for me, I don't want to do that, right? I don't want to do that because. But if you do have it right, just go ahead and do it. But I don't want to do that, so I'll click on no there. And then what I want to do is to come right here. So higher education institution asks you to take to your needs. Please indicate if you have any conditions require assistance. So we just click on noticeability there and then click on next there, because we actually had omitted this, which it's also actually very very important. Next of key, so which is maybe a parent there, wherever a sponsor may be. To do that, you want to set your area code. So area code is basically, which is apparently depending upon the city that you live. So just something like that. So if you're in Cape Town, it should be a bit different record, but if you are and Johannesburg, so it's 011. So I'm just gonna use 0 because I'm in Johannesburg, right? If you're in another city, then there is a area code for that particular city that you live in. So if it happens that you are applying, it is your interest to complete the grade below, it is, it is your interest to complete the grade below if you are applying for NSFAS funding. So if you need any funding, you want to need any funding, you want to actually complete that right here. So I don't want to do that, so I'll skip this first. But if really you want to, which most people want to do that, so I actually advise people to proceed and fill in here the details. So if the mother and the father, if you don't have the mother and father, which means you have the guardian, so you just have to insert their details right here. So I'm going to skip on that because I don't need to do it. You just take my time. Once you come here, you just want to start you want to search school there. So I just want to click on search there first there. So I'll just type in maybe and I'll search the school right there. And then the results will appear right here. So use it and then click on new school right there. So once the code is found here, you see that you click on next right here. Please correct the errors in the selected school. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. I need to, write in from here. I would say from 2030. But depending on it is school, right? So let me say maybe 20. Maybe say 2016 to 2020. So when you come to this step, right, what you want to do is to, I'll just click on no because in this case, let's say you haven't written the final exam in this case, so that's why I say that because certificate schooling is a case something like you matric there. It's a certificate. So in this case, since you haven't written, let's say in case you haven't written it, so just say no right there, and what to do, I'll just since it is an NSC, so we'll find NSC. If you have written and you're writing we can certificate examination, then fill in the details below and we will receive your results electronically from the examination authority. So what I would do, I would say, let me see. Um, so once you do that, what you want to do is just find where there is NSC. So now I'll go call for agency, click on 2020 then 2020. Right, so now since it once you come here, I tell you how to enter examination results. Select your exam from the list and then search the subjects you wrote once you upload. That is if you've already written your metric, right? So in this case, since we are applying as if like we haven't written any final exam yet, so we're just gonna skip this because actually see nothing appears here, right? So I'll just skip this because there's no need for me to do this. So once I'm done with that, just click the button next here, which will take me to a page whereby you have to insert your course code. Now actually your program, once you come to this page, you want to insert your course code right here. So in order for you to do that, to insert your course code, you need to have your prospectus with you. I do have the prospectus with me here, the UKZN prospectus. So what you under, if you go, I think it is page to this to this prototype we have, it is page I think it's page is it page 23 if I'm not mistaken. So go to page 23 where there are programs, and that programs go along with the CA code. So the CA code, you would see it right here, and the MIC number there is actually stands for the campus that you will be available for the course, right? So let's say I want to apply for the BS in computer science and information technology. So what do, you want to copy down this course code. The same course code is the one that you copy this and paste it right here. So it's KNW BSU, and then you want to click the button add there once you find the course. But bearing in mind that you see the course that have been added here. But if it happens that you don't find the course, you want to search it right here. So you type in the course name there and the institution, and then click the button search bar. If you do have the prospectus with you, things will be very easy for you. So if you have a prospectus with you, things will be very easy. With that, right, I'm going forward to the next step, which is come down here, click the button next here to another step, and then we check into this step whereby are you starting? No, have then you ever started an application, and then have you ever been in a student nutrition? So I don't need to go forward, I click on next, so I don't need to make anything here. Well, it will take you to this rate whereby you need to, if you want to edit anything, edit if you want to make some changes or you made some mistakes. So this is a good opportunity for you to actually make some changes. If you want to edit anything at all, you can actually use this, and once you're done, you click on proceed my application. Once you are done with that, your application will be complete, and you need to upload your documents, and not just only upload your documents. If you do have them or your soft copies, upload them, and if you want to make some payments, they actually want to go forth and make some payments. So this is just the simple COA application process for you to out and for documents. You want to come to admin right here, click on this tab admin there, where you could actually change your password, upload with documents, and if you want to make any changes, if you want to change your mind there, you just do that. So if you want to upload a document, just come here and upload a document, and then you could actually go forth and select document type and choose a file and click next, and you can actually upload a document. So if this video was very helpful for you, can you please or if you It happens that you encounter any problems, feel free to leave your comments below here. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video to others who may need such help. Thank you.